Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 8 Simulation Training. So open the Excel Chapter 8 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade, your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 8 simulation training, click the launch. So open the Excel chapter 8 simulation training. Total question is 12 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, in a cell H9, enter a function to calculate the standards deviations of the test score sample in the range C4 to C53. So type the H9 and press enter. Type is equal to and type the status function. So type the stat function. And next is range is C4 to C53, close bracket and press enter. And next is in cell I9 enter a function to calculate the variance of the test scores sample in the range C4 to C53. So type the I9 and press enter. Type is equal to and type the various functions. And next is C4 to C53, close bracket and press enter. And next is format the results cell H9s and I9 to display as the whole numbers. So select the H9s and I9s and display the whole numbers. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, in the cell J9 use the correl function to a test for a collections between the test score and attendance decimal points will autocomplete. So correl functions. So in the cell J9, so type the J9, press enter, type is equal to and type the correl functions. And next is C3 to C53 and F4 to F53. Next is and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. Select the range I12 to I14 and insert the frequency function in cell of the cells. Determine the frequency of student absence based on the criteria in the range H12 to H14. Divide the function by the number of the records in the data to calculate the result as a decimal. So insert the frequency function in cell I2. So insert the frequency function in cell I12 and type is equal to type the frequency. And next is function in all of cells determine the frequency of a students based on the criteria in the range H12 to H24. Divide the function by the number of records in the data to calculate the results as a decimals. So insert the frequency functions. Range is F4 to F53 is the day absence, F4 to F53 and next is type comma and h12 to h14. So type the h12 to h14 and close bracket by 15 and press enter. And next is format the result in I12 to I14 with the person style with the 0 decimal places. So type the I12 to I14, press enter, and person style with the 0 decimal places. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups, click the percentage. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is load the analysis toolpack add-in. So go to the data tabs and go to the outlets and click the data analysis. So you go to the file tabs and click the options, and next is click the add-ins and click go and load the analysis toolpacks and click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is next is use the ANOVA single factors within the analysis toolpack to complete analysis of variance cross-section data sample of set scores from 3 high schools in the school district. Output the result in cell F7 and be sure to include the label in your results. So add the ANOVA single factors. So go to the data tabs and click the data analysis, and next is ANOVA single factor, click OK. Analysis various and three high school and districts. Output the result in cell F7. So 3 high schools and next is output results in cell F7. So next is in cell F7 and click OK. Include the labels. So go to the data tabs and click the data analysis and select the singles and our single factor, click OK, and next is B3 to D53 and click the output output range in cell F7. Output range in cell F7 and click OK. And next adjust the column width of the range F7 to L21. So select the F column to L and apply the out of it column. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the combined score sample worksheets, use the analysis toolpack to create the covariance summary to analyze the trend between the set scores and attendance. Use the input range C3 to D153. Select the label first row. Output the result in cell H3. So on the combined score sample worksheets and use the analysis toolpack, create the covariance and analysis toolpack, create the covariance summary. So go to the data tabs and click the data analysis and covariance summary, covariance and click OK. And next is use the input ranges C32 D153. C32 D153. C32 D153, and label first row output result is H3. Output result in cell H3 and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So open the question number 7 is create the histogram to document the frequency of the absences high school. To complete the take, use the bins created to the range F4 to F6. Output the result in cell H8. Do not include the column heading and select the chart outputs. So create the histogram. So go to the data tabs and click the data analysis, and next is histograms. Click OK, and to complete use the bin creators ranges F4 to F6. Output result is Hs. Do not include the heading and select the chart outputs. And the ranges, so input ranges type D4 to D53, and bin ranges F4 to F6, and output result is in cell H8, and heading and select the chart outputs. Chart output and click OK. F4 to F6, and output range is H8, D4 to D153, and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So I have done the assignments, and please click OK to submit assignments and check the scores. Please wait updating the assignment, students, and check the score is Excel chapter 8 simulation training is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.